Hey guys, Eli here. Welcome to day 3 of 30 in this series of how to build your online business from scratch to $10,000 per month or more, focusing on selling our own services or promoting other people's products, known as affiliate marketing. Now, if you haven't seen day 1 or day 2, make sure you go back and watch them, okay? Because you're not going to really understand what this series is all about. Now, today we're going to be talking about a very quick recap of yesterday's training, and we're going to be talking about our main lesson point today is hunting your avatar, hunting your dream avatar, what that is, and how to do it. Now, before we get started, guys, if you have been finding this valuable, but you feel like you want to really hit the accelerator, hit that gas pedal and move faster, definitely want to go and schedule a call with me or my team at elirichardsonmentoring.com. We'd be happy to have a chat with you about your business, about your goals, and really see how we can help you get closer to your goals. Let's get started with our quick recap of yesterday. Yesterday we talked about how there are 2 main options to really be successful with this. The first is just basic affiliate marketing, where we're promoting other people's products and getting paid a commission. The problem we talked about yesterday was that it's just not enough money, okay? Even if we're promoting a $100 offer, but we're getting paid a 50% commission, we're only making a $50 profit, and that's not enough. My recommendation to you guys is actually doing the second option, which is selling your own service and also promoting affiliate products with that service as well. That way you can charge a higher price point, literally $300, $500, $1,000 as you get better and as your skills improve, okay? But you can charge more when you sell your own service and then also promote affiliate products compared to if you were just promoting affiliate products straight up. Something I want to cover that I kind of didn't feel like I covered well enough yesterday, and that is some hot skills. So if you're still sitting there thinking, I'm not really sure what service to build, these are some skills that you really need to know either way, whether you're promoting these as your service or not. But if you're not sure on what service to promote, I would definitely be picking one of these and then focusing on your avatar, which we're going to get to in a second. So some really hot skills, guys. One is sales, okay? Sales, the ability to sell. The ability to get somebody to whip out their wallet and hand you money is an incredibly valuable skill. And if you have that skill, if you have the ability to sell or the ability to close, you can promote your own offers, you can sell your own products, or you can also be a high ticket closer for other people's products as well, like a phone salesman, and get paid, whether that's a fixed rate or a commission on whatever sales you close. But the ability to sell is incredibly important with whatever you do with your business. It's an incredibly high value skill that you need to continue to work on developing. Another skill is copywriting. Okay, another skill is copywriting. Copywriting is basically the ability to write words that sell. So very similar to sales, but this time it's in text. The ability to write words that sell, that make people want to click on your ad and go through to the next step, the next sales page. Or the ability to write a long form sales letter makes people want to click a button and go to the order page, or click a button and schedule a call. Also, you're going to need it in your emails, in all of your marketing, in your sales videos, everywhere. If you have this skill, copywriting, you're never going to go hungry, because you can write copy that sells for yourself, your own products, or for other people's products as well. Another skill that I would recommend learning is funnels, the ability to create sales processes that convert people who pretty much don't know you, have never heard about you, to paying customers or leads, whether that's getting them to actually pull out their wallet and sell them, or whether that's actually getting them to take a certain action like scheduling a call. Funnels is an incredibly high value skill that people will pay a lot of money for. And like I mentioned yesterday, that's where I got started online. The last skill that I'd be looking at learning is paid ads, okay? People will pay a lot of money if you know how to run highly profitable Facebook ad campaigns, okay? So either way, whether or not you're promoting these skills as your service, these are skills that you always want to be trying to improve. I'm constantly trying to improve my ability to sell. I'm constantly improving my ability to write copy. I'm constantly improving my ability to create sales funnels. And I'm also constantly improving my ability to run paid ads, okay? So if you're not sure about what service that you want to get into, I would definitely be picking one of those. Let's move on now to the main topic of today's lesson, which is hunting your avatar. What is hunting your avatar? Well, I can best explain hunting your avatar like this. Most people online, especially beginners, when they're just starting out, they will take this, what's kind of known as a shotgun approach, right? They will just get their service. So you've got your service, and they will just go and shotgun that service all over the place. They try and speak to everybody. They try and sell everybody. The problem with this is that when you try and sell everybody, you actually sell nobody, because the messaging that you're using doesn't resonate with one particular audience. So when you try and sell everybody, you get nobody. Okay, it's as simple as that. So most people think, I'm going to cast this wide net and I'm going to catch a lot of fish. It doesn't work like that. You end up catching no fish. For example, have you seen those people at the shopping centers who kind of stand in the walkway handing out flyers to whoever will take them? I'm sure you have. They're pretty annoying. I find them annoying. And I find them annoying because I'm not their dream customer. They're not really going after a particular person. They're taking this shotgun approach where they're just trying to blast out their pamphlets to whoever will take them. And that is not what we're doing, because that is just annoying and it honestly doesn't work. I feel really bad for those people because they're just kind of pretty much wasting their time. You know, if they knew how to run paid ads, they would have a much better chance of actually being successful, or more successful than what they are being. So instead of taking this shotgun approach, what we want to do instead of this shotgun approach is we want to take more of a sniper approach. We want to be laser focused in our messaging and understanding of exactly who we are going after. So our avatar is our dream buyer, is our dream customer. Who are they exactly? Who are they specifically? When I started out online, I was talking a little bit about this yesterday, the service that I was selling was funnels when I first started. And I was selling funnels, but I wasn't just selling funnels to any old business, okay? I was selling funnels in the health space to chiropractors, not to any healthcare professional, specifically to chiropractors. And I worked out that my avatar, my dream customer, let's call him Steve. My dream client was Steve, and he was a chiropractor. He owned his own practice and he wanted more clients. My avatar at the time, he was Steve. He was a chiropractor. He had his own practice. He wanted more clients, and he wanted more clients in a way that wasn't only reliant on referrals. Other methods of acquiring clients besides referrals, because most healthcare practices, they live on their referrals, okay? They live on their networking, but they don't really have any reliable method to actually be able to pay money to acquire a customer. Chiropractors that do have that ability to pay money to acquire a customer, they typically tend to definitely become one of the bigger practices in town and get a lot more of the clientele. Okay, so Steve, he was my dream customer, and I was selling funnels to him. I was being very specific. In my ads. Okay, I was being very specific in my videos, right? My videos, whether that was on Facebook or whether that was on YouTube, very specific in my videos. And I was also being very specific in my posts, whether that was on Facebook, paid posts or whatever that was, right? My posts. And I was being very specific in my sales. Hope you guys can see this one. Being very specific in my sales process as well. Okay, so I was not only being specific in my ads, I was being specific in my videos, I was being specific in my posts, I was being specific in my sales process, and everything that I was doing was directed to speak directly to Steve. I was not trying to speak to everybody. I knew exactly who Steve was. I knew what he wanted, and I spoke to him in a way that really, I like to call it, kicked his bruised knee. Okay, I kicked his bruised knee, doing a little kicking action, but you can't kind of see it. I kicked his bruised knee. I talked about his pains. I talked about his desires, and I used my service. I positioned my service as the thing that could move him from his current situation, which was where he was, wanting new clients, to his desired situation where he was getting clients on autopilot. Okay, and I was able to really speak clearly with Steve, and as a result, I was able to get lots of Steves to come my way. Okay, because at scale, we're not just getting one Steve, we're getting 50, 100, 1,000, 10,000 Steves to come purchase our service. And that's what I did. Okay, I was speaking directly to my dream buyer with the right messaging at the right time, and I knew exactly what to say. The whole point of this video, guys, is to really help you understand not to just go out there and think, oh, I've got a service, I'm gonna go sell it to my sister, my mom, my cousin's friend, this guy I know down the road. That's not the right approach. The right approach is to be laser specific about who it is you're going after, and then crafting all of your messaging to resonate with that who. Let's talk about your homework real quick. Before we get into your homework, if you need any help at all with this, or really hitting that accelerator pedal and getting there faster, come schedule a call with me or my team, EliRichardsonMentoring.com. We'll have a very friendly chat with you. You know, we're just some good guys from Australia. We just want to have a chat with you and see, you know, what we can do to help you out. Homework for today is to really dial in exactly who it is that you're going after. Work out your who. Work out who it is. You know, give them a name. How old are they? What's their age? What's their gender? What pains do they have? What desires do they have? Where do they hang out? Are they part of Facebook groups online? Are they part of blogs? Are they part of forums? Where do they hang out online? These are just some of the things you need to know. Okay, you really should be able to come back with your exact avatar. Like word for word, exactly who your avatar is. Be very specific. Give them a name, age, gender, you know, what countries do they live in? Super specific, okay? The more specific you can be, the better, because then you can really start to target, laser target like a sniper, your messaging to that person. Okay, and that's it for this video, guys. So you make sure you do this homework. This is for your benefit, not for mine. I know exactly who my avatars are. Okay, you need to go do this for your business. It's incredibly important, because if you just try and cast a wide net without understanding your avatar, you're gonna have a hard time actually selling anybody at all, okay? So make sure you do this. You can post your avatars down below. I'd be interested to just read who it is, what service you're selling, and who it is you're going after. I'd be interested to know. So definitely do that. And like I said, guys, if you need any help at all with your business, with getting all of this done faster, go to EliRichardsonMentoring.com. We'd be happy to help you out with whatever you need help with. Just have a friendly chat and see how we can help you move faster and get to this 10K per month mark as quick as possible. So that's it from me, guys. Make sure you have liked and subscribed and share this video if you know anybody that needs help or maybe hates their job or wants a bit of extra income. Share this video and be super appreciative of that. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, guys, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.